We need to start living from impact, not from perfection. We need to start connecting, because from our real selves we start connecting. We need to listen more. That's what happens when we show up in our relationships, not in a pleasing manner, but in an authentic manner. So we're not here to try and impress others. We're trying to bring value. People connect with realness. People connect when the focus is on the impact and not on trying to get approval. It's exhausting to constantly wait for approval of who you are externally. We need to stop for a moment. So how do we do that? How do I realize when I'm focusing on approval and people pleasing rather than moving from impact? Simple thing, before the next time you do something, ask yourself whether you're doing that to get the approval, and rather ask yourself, what is in alignment with myself? So that I can truly show up authentically, honestly, from the inside and out. Be the person who I am.